Welcome back to Truck U. So we've been working so much on the exterior of this vehicle, making it look good, but we mentioned the fact that we wanted to get inside the engine compartment as well and bump up the performance a little bit. So we're going to do that with this. This is the Volant Performance Cold Air Intake for the Ecoboost engine.
Upgrading the air intake is an easy way for anyone to get a pop of performance. And it's so simple in terms of a DIY scale. It's like 1 out of a 1 to 10.
Right.
Anybody can do it. And what it's going to do is allow the engine to breathe better. You know, it's going to get a bigger gulp of air going in. You can got different options in terms of filtration, the way you unfilter the engine. There's some performance there. And you know what? It's something that, well, it's simple to do, and why not, right?
Absolutely. One of the things I like about this is take a look at that. You can look right in there, right? And you can see nice and clear. And you'll be able to keep an eye on your filter and see if you need to make any changes to it or whatever. B-Man.
Hey, buddy.
I got some filter options for you, brother.
You're going to have to hold on to those because I had to make an executive decision. You were napping, and I had to keep this project moving forward, and I decided to go with the Donaldson Power Core. One of the nice things from Volant is you've got options in terms of filtration for your application. So it took me about 30 seconds when I popped the hood and realized this guy, he does play around when it comes to using this truck, and there's a lot of dirt and there's a lot of debris because this filter has a 100,000-mile service maintenance interval. So it's something he can put on and forget it. It's going to give him the most filtration for, you know, dirty, dusty applications and keep this engine running nice and clean.
I think that's a good call for this truck, and we have more steps to that, right? So if you're just kind of like the average guy who's going to do some off-roading, this is a dry tech, no oil filter. So this would be good too. Won't filter quite as much as that, but still good if you're getting a little bit of dust. And if you want maximum performance, we got the oiled gauze one right here.
Yeah, I mean, this one here is still 50,000 miles, a long way to go.
Absolutely.
Any one of these options, I promise you, is going to be better than what we've got here.
Yes, you're absolutely
It's going to let this thing breathe a lot better, get a little more power through it, and filter out all the dirt and debris, you know, like that.
All right, dude, good call on that. I'll put these off to the side.